I am Aniket Katkar. Today I am here to discuss about the information about the technical topic, the body cavities. Basically, the body cavities are essential compartments within the human body that house and protect the vital organs. They are further classified into the two main categories, such as the dorsal cavities and the ventral cavities. The first one is the dorsal body cavity. The dorsal body cavity is located along the posterior side of the body, means the back of the body, and is divided into two main sections. First, the cranial cavity, and the second, the spinal cavity. The cranial cavity is the cavity which is formed by the skull and contains the brain, and it protects the brain from the physical damage and provides support and a supportive structure to the brain. Next is the spinal cavity. It is also called as the vertebral cavity. This is the cavity within the vertebral column enclosing the spinal cord, which allows for the passage of the nerves and provides the support and flexibility to the spine. The next is the ventral cavity or the ventral body cavity. Each involves and it is located on the anterior side of the body, means the front side of the body, and is larger than the dorsal cavity, and is subdivided into the first, the thoracic cavity, second, the pleural cavity, third, the pericardial cavity, and the main is the mediastinum. The thoracic cavity is the cavity which is situated above the diaphragm and contains the structures such as the pleural cavities. Two cavities, means the pleural cavity involves that the two cavities, one for each lung, which provide a lubricated environment for the lung expansion and the contraction. The second is the pericardial cavity, means which contains the heart surrounded by a protective sac known as the pericardium. The mediastinum, which is the important part, is the space between the pleural cavities containing the heart, great vessels, trachea, esophagus, and the thymus. The abdominopelvic cavity, which is located below the diaphragm. This cavity is further divided into the abdominal cavity, means the house organs such as the stomach, intestines, liver, spleen, and kidneys, and it is lined by the peritoneum, which allows the movement and expansion of the digestive organs. The pelvic cavity involves that it contains the bladder, reproductive organs, and the part of the large intestine. It is also lined by the peritoneum, although its structure is more rigid than that of the abdominal cavity. The third is the serous membranes. Serous membranes are the important membranes in which both the thoracic and abdominal cavities are lined with serous membranes that secrete the serous fluid. These membranes reduce the friction between moving organs and providing the protection to the organs. For example, the pleura surrounds the lungs while the peritoneum surrounds abdominal cavity or the abdominal organs. The next is we will discuss the functions of the body cavities. The main functions are the protection, the organization, the third is the movement, then the homeostasis. These are the main functions of the body cavities. The first is the protection, which means the cavities shield organs from the trauma. Second is the organization. They compensate the organs for functional efficiency. Third is the movement. The fluid within the cavities allow the organs to move smoothly against each other. Homeostasis, the cavities which play a role in regulating the internal conditions by housing organs that are essential for the metabolic processes. The conclusion of the body cavities involve that understanding the body cavities is very crucial in fields like medicines and anatomy, as they provide insights in the organization and functioning of the human body. Each cavity serves a specific role, ensuring that the vital processes occur the efficiently and safely. This was the information about the topic body cavities. Thank you guys.